Dairy farming in Saraburi, Thailand. Saraburi province in Thailand is renowned for its significant contribution to the country's dairy industry. This region has a long-standing history of dairy farming and plays a crucial role in the national food supply. Key points about dairy farming in Saraburi. Major dairy production hub. Saraburi is home to a large number of dairy farms, making it one of the most important dairy-producing provinces in Thailand. High-quality milk. The province is known for producing high-quality milk, which is used to create a variety of dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese. Economic impact. The dairy industry in Saraburi provides employment opportunities for many people and contributes significantly to the local economy. Supporting local farmers. The dairy sector supports local farmers by providing a market for their milk and promoting sustainable agricultural practices. Food security. Dairy farming in Saraburi helps ensure food security for the nation by providing a steady supply of nutritious dairy products. Why is dairy farming in Saraburi so important? Economic growth. The dairy industry drives economic growth in the region by creating jobs, stimulating related industries, and generating income for farmers. Food security. By producing a reliable supply of dairy products, Saraburi contributes to Thailand's food security and reduces reliance on imported dairy products. Rural development. Dairy farming helps to develop rural areas by providing opportunities for farmers to improve their livelihoods and invest in their communities. Quality dairy products. The high-quality milk produced in Saraburi is used to create a wide range of nutritious and delicious dairy products, which are enjoyed by consumers both domestically and internationally. In conclusion, dairy farming in Saraburi is a vital part of the Thai economy and plays a significant role in ensuring food security for the nation. The province's commitment to quality and sustainability has made it a leader in the dairy industry,